Packing efficiency. Efficiency of packing in body-centered cubic structure. This is the structure of a body-centered cubic structure where body is present at the center. This is represented as A, and this is represented as B, this is represented as C, and this is represented as D. It has a edge length A. What is edge length? Edge length is a distance between the two particles. The distance between the two particles is known as edge length. Here edge length is represented by the A. Okay, A. Now join the AC. When you join AC, you will get the triangle ABC. We can apply the triangular Pythagoras theorem to find the value of AC square. In triangle ABC, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We know that edge length is A. Edge length is A to all the sides because it is the distance between the two particles. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is the edge length, that is A. BC is also edge length A. So A square plus A square is equal to 2 square. We got the value of AC square, that is 2A square. We know that volume of a cube is length into breadth into height. Here length is also A, breadth is also A, height is also A. So A into A into A. Volume of the cube is A cube. Now forget the old triangle. Now join the AD and join AC. When you join AD and AC, you will get the triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, when you look at AD, in AD there are 3 particles. 1, 2, 3 particles. The particle 1 has R radius, this is R radius, this is R radius, and diameter is 2R. R 2R plus R. We can get the value of AD. So AD is equal to R plus 2R plus R is equal to 4R. AD is equal to 4R. Next comes in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, this is the triangle ADC. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, that is AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. We have already found out the value of AC square. Value of AC square is 2A square. In the triangle ABC, we have found out by applying Pythagoras theorem the value of AC square, that is 2A square. CD is the side which is edge length. Edge length is A square. AD square is equal to 3A square. AD is equal to root 3A. We have got the value of AD root 3A. We know that AD is equal to 4R. See here, AD is equal to 4R. AD is equal to 4R. So put the value of AD here. AD is equal to 4R is equal to root 3A. 4R is equal to root 3A. We can find the value of A and R from this equation. So A is equal to 4R by root 3 and R is equal to root 3 by 4. By solving from this equation, you get the value of 4R is A and R. Now we have to find the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by the two spheres in the unit cell into 100 divided by total volume of the unit cell. We know that volume of occupied by the two spheres is 2 and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume. The volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 2. 4 by 3 pi r cube into 2 into 100 and volume of the cube is A cube. And the value of A is 4R by root 3. The value of A is 4R by root 3. So A cube 4R by root 3 the whole cube. And by solving we will get the 68%. 68% is the packing efficiency of the body centered cubic structure. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency in a simple cubic lattice. Packing efficiency in a simple cubic lattice. This is the simple cubic lattice where the edge length is a centimeter, volume is length into breadth into height. Everything is edge length is a. So length into breadth into height is a into a into a, that is a cube centimeter cube. Length is also a, breadth is also a, height is also a. So volume is a cube centimeter cube. Here radius is r. Radius is r. Okay. When we talk about the reality, in reality these particles are connected somehow like this. These particles are connected like this. When you look at the edge length, see, when you look at the edge length, that is a. When you look at the edge length, that is a, we can find that a is equal to r plus r. Same length, a is equal to r plus r. A is equal to r plus r, that is 2r. A is equal to r plus r, that is a is equal to 2r. So here we have got directly the value of a and r, and we can find the packing efficiency very easily. We know that simple cubic unit cell efficiency is 1. Efficiency of a simple cubic unit cell is 1, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total volume of the cube is a cube, where the value of a is 2r. 2r the whole cube is 8r cube. Volume of cube is 8r cube. Now the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100%. Volume of one atom. We know the volume of one atom is 1 into volume of a sphere. Sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cubic unit cell, that is we have found volume is equal to a cube. A cube is equal to 2r the whole cube. 2r the whole cube is 8r cube. 8r cube into 100. When you find the value, we will get the 52% packing space. 52% is the total space filled by the particles, and remaining is the space, gap space.